Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your Sportybet account is active and verified. Once done, open the app and go straight to football. Find the fixture you want, then tap Correct Score to reveal all available score lines. You do this now to avoid delays. The market updates quickly. Note the displayed odds and implied probability for each score line and keep the list visible. This opens the decision set you will analyze in the next steps. Once you have the market open, analyze the match. Look at recent form, goals per game, and head-to-head trends to identify realistic score ranges. Check starting lineups and late injuries. A missing striker changes probabilities. Convert each odd into an implied percentage to compare value. Focus on 2 to 4 score lines where the implied chance seems lower than your assessment. Make sure to weigh home versus away tendencies and prefer outcomes supported by both stats and lineup context. You're ready to place the wager. Pick your highest value scoreline from the shortlist and size the stake using a bankroll rule, usually 1 to 3% of your betting fund. Double-check the exact score, the stake, and the potential payout, then confirm the bet. After placing it, monitor the match live if possible. Note key events that affect the outcome. If the market moves or your data was wrong, use this single troubleshooting tip. Reassess lineup accuracy first. Late changes often explain
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.